Good morning, dear students. This is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we learned about the topics that literal inequality, numerical inequality, slack and strict inequality. Also, linear inequality in one variable, solution set of inequality, solving the inequalities. All these things we already learned in our previous class. In this class, we are going to learn about the rules for to solve the inequality. We have some rules to solve the inequality. So these rules we are going to apply for to solving the inequality. First rule, the inequality does not change. The inequality does not change. If the same number is added on the both sides of the inequality does not change if same number is added. Same number is added on the both sides of the inequality. If we add any number on the both sides of the inequality, then that inequality does not change. For example, here we have one inequality a greater than b. Here I am going to add one number. That number will be lambda. I will add one number. That number will be lambda. Lambda plus a is greater than lambda plus b. If we add the same number on the both sides of the inequality, then that inequality does not change. It is the first rule. Second rule, the inequality does not change. Does not change when if we multiply or divide both sides. If we multiply or divide. If we multiply or divide on both sides of the inequality by the same positive number. The inequality does not change if we multiply or divide both sides by the same positive number, then the inequality does not change. For example, how it will be? Suppose here we have the inequality a is less than or equals to b. A is less than or equals to b. I am just applying this second rule. I am multiplying with the positive real number, lambda. A is less than or equals to lambda b. Or so lambda is less than, it is one rule. Second rule. In this second rule we have the two rules. So here we have one more inequality, that a is greater than or equal to b. I am just dividing both sides by the same positive number, that lambda. A divided by lambda is greater than or equals to b divided by lambda. It is one rule. The inequality does not change if we multiply or divide both sides by the positive real number, then that inequality does not change. Here I am just applying lambda on both sides, multiplying lambda on both sides. A less than or equals to b. I just multiplied lambda on both sides, lambda a less than or equals to lambda b. A is greater than or equal to b we have. Here I am dividing both sides by the same real number, lambda. A by lambda greater than or equals to b by lambda. So these things how you are going to write in the equations. Suppose we have one equations a equals to b. I am multiplying both sides by lambda, then lambda a equals to lambda b. These things already you learned already in your previous lower classes, isn't it? So here we have one more inequality, one more equation, a equals to b. I am just dividing both sides by the same number, lambda, a by lambda, b by lambda, right? If we come to the inequalities, symbols will come. Here we have the symbols. It is an equation, it is the inequality. Maybe you find a difference in between these two. So all these are the equations, these are the inequalities. Same things will be happen, but the procedure will be different. Representation is also different. Third rule, the inequality reverses. The inequality reverses. The inequality reverses. The inequality reverses. When it will be reverses? If we multiply or divide, if we multiply or divide with negative real number, then that inequality changes in its direction. How it will be? For example, we have the inequality A is less than or equals to B. A is less than or equals to B. Here I am going to multiply with minus lambda. Here I am going to multiply with minus lambda. So minus lambda A, we just observe the rule. The inequality reverses in its direction if we multiply or divide both sides by the same negative real number. Then the inequality changes in its direction. Minus lambda A is greater than or equals to minus lambda B, because here we have the less than or equals to symbol. If we multiply with the negative number, then that inequality changes in its direction. Less than or equals to will becomes greater than or equals to. Suppose similarly, suppose we have one more inequality. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Here I am going to divide both sides by the same negative number minus lambda. Here I am going to divide A by minus lambda, then B by minus lambda. Here we have greater than or equal, here we have greater than. Here I am applying minus lambda, dividing minus lambda on both the sides. If we multiply or divide with negative number, then that inequality changes in its direction. Greater than or equals to will become less than or equals to. So it is the procedure. Let us take one numerical inequality. Suppose we have 10 is less than 19. 10 is less than 19. I am multiplying minus on both sides. I am just multiplying minus on both sides. Then minus 10 is greater than minus 19. 10 is less than 19. I am just multiplying minus on both sides. Then minus 10 less than will become greater than. Minus 10 is greater than minus 19. Hence, it is the third rule. This third rule will make you, this third rule will be the important rule. Many of you are getting confused while multiplying minus and adding the numbers, adding negative numbers, adding positive numbers, multiplying and dividing. So in this third point you are going to confuse. Kindly make sure you will be perfect in the problems. Now, so these are the three rules. Kindly note down in your notebook. So first rule will be the inequality does not change if we add on the both sides of the inequality by the same real number. Second rule will be if the inequality does not change if we multiply or divide on both sides of the inequality by the same positive real number. Third rule will be the inequality becomes reverses its direction if we multiply or divide on the both sides of the inequality by the same negative real number. Examples are given. Now let us move on to the problems. It is the concept of the linear inequality. Now we are going to solve the problems. Here we have the problem. Solve 24x is less than 100 when x is a natural number, x is an integer. Before that, you have to know about the natural numbers and integers. Natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Integers, which numbers are the integers? 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. All these are the integers. Here one inequality is given. First we have to solve this inequality. After that we are going to write the solution set of this inequality. Solution. First write down the given inequality. 24x is less than 100. Suppose if we have one equation 24x equals to 100. Suppose we are going to find the value of x in this equation. How you are going to find? X equals to, we are sending this 24 to the right, it will be 100 by 24. 100 by 24, then 4.1, x equals to 4.1. This will be happens in the equations. What about if we come to the inequality? These things already we learned, right? Now what about in the inequality? Same procedure we will follow, but in place of equals we are going to write less than symbol. That's it. Now send this 24 to the right, then it will be x is less than 100 divided by 24. Now x is less than 24, 4.1. If we divide this, finally we will get the fraction 4.1. X is less than 4.1. Now we have to write its solution set. Now we have to find its solution set. So how to find solution set? That is, solution set will be a natural number. So first one, x equals to, right? A sub question is given, that is a natural number. X is a natural number. How we are going to represent this solution in terms of natural numbers? You just observe x is less than 4.1. X is less than 4.1. So for natural numbers, we just recall the natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, isn't it? 4.1, is this a natural number? 4.1, is this a natural number? No, it is not a natural number. Now less than is nothing but what? X is less than 4.1. X is less than 4.1. It says that 4.1 is more than x. This symbol says that 4.1 is more than x, isn't it? That means 4.1 is not included. This symbol less than. If we have less than or equals to symbol, then 4.1 is also included. But we don't have that symbol, we have only less than. Is nothing but 4.1 is more than x. Lesser values of lesser natural numbers of 4.1. Lesser natural numbers of 4.1. So 4.1. So it is a 4.1. Here it will be there, that 4.1. Then 4.1. Lesser natural values of 4.1. So lesser values, it will be 4.1. Then natural numbers will be what? Natural numbers less than, then take it left, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. X less than 4.1 is nothing but lesser natural lesser natural numbers of 4.1. Lesser natural numbers of 4.1 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 only. You just take a number, you just take a natural numbers line 4.1, it will be 4.1, isn't it? Here it will come 4.1. Lesser values of 4.1, 4, 3, 2, 1 will be lesser values of 4.1. Now what about the integers? X is an integer, x equals to. Now what about the integers? Same as it is, take one real line, integers including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay, 4.1, so it is a 5. 4.1, where it will come 4.1? It will be 4.1, isn't it? 4.1. Lesser values, lesser integers of 4.1. So it is a 4.1. Lesser values of 4.1. Here we have the symbol less than. You blindly you can take it left. All these values are the lesser values of 4.1. In this we have to mention integers. In this we have to mention integers, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. That means and so on. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4 or minus 3, minus 2. Okay, I don't have space, so that I am writing once again. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and so on. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a solution set if x is an integer. It is a solution set if x is a natural number, right? Hence it is the solving the inequality. Maybe you are getting a little bit confused to understand this problem. Let me take one more problem, then you will be perfect in this. Kindly note down in your notebook. These things will be the rough work. If you want, you can write, otherwise you can ignore it. Let us take one more problem, second problem. Solve 30x is less than 200 when x is a natural number, x is an integer. Solution. First write down the given inequality. 30x is less than 200. 30x is less than 200. Now x is less than 200 divided by 30. Then x is less than 20 by 3. Then x is less than 20 by 3. Then how it will be? How much it will be? 3 by 3, that is 6.666 and so on. Now we have to find its solution set if x is a natural number. First one, x equals to, we have to represent all this in a set. X equals to, you just observe the symbol x is less than 6.66. That means 6.66 is more than x. 6.66 is more than x. Now you just take a line. X is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, right? So all these are the natural numbers. 6.66, where it will come? So 6.66, here it will be 6.6, right? Lesser natural numbers of 6.66. Lesser natural numbers of 6.66. So here we have the symbol less than. You can blindly take it to the left. So all these are the natural numbers which is less than 6.66. Now natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore these are the natural numbers. Now what about the integers? What about the integers? B question we have x is an integer. X equals to, now take a line 0, integers we know that including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. 6.66, where it will come 6.66, here it will be 6.66, isn't it? Less than, we have lesser integers of 6.666. So here we have the symbol less than, you can blindly take it to the left, right? So these are the values which is less than 6.66. We have to take the integers, so and so on and so on. -3, -2, -1, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the solution set if x is an integer. Are you understand? Kindly write down in your notebook. Take a screenshot, then you can note down in your notebook. Now let us move on to the next problem. Third problem, solve -12x is greater than 30 when x is a natural number, b x is an integer. In this problem you are going to confuse. How you are going to confuse? Let me explain. Let us take the inequality -12x is greater than 30. -12x is greater than 30. -12x is greater than 30. If we send this -12 to the right, x, you just see we are sending -12 to the right. -12 is nothing but we are dividing -12 on both the sides. You just recall the property, I mean the third rule of this solving the inequality. Third rule, what says third rule? The inequality becomes reverses in its direction if we multiply or divide on both sides of the inequality by the same negative real number. Then the inequality changes. So here we are dividing both sides by the negative number, that is -12. Therefore this inequality changes to less than 30 divided by -12. Understand? Once again we are dividing, I mean x coefficient we have -12, we are sending this -12 to the right, it will divide -12. X is less than 30 divided by -12, then 30 divided by -12, then x is less than 5 minus 5 by 2, -5 by 2. X is less than -5 by 2 is how much? -2.5. -2.5. Now we are going to write, suppose if we have, suppose x is 12x is less than 12x is greater than 30. Suppose if you imagine 12x is greater than 30, then x is greater than 30 by 12, then x is greater than 5 by 2, x is greater than 2.5. It is the difference between -12x greater than 30, 12x less than greater than 30. You just see the difference of these two inequalities. Here we have -12, we are dividing this -12 on both the sides, then this inequality changes in its direction. Greater than will become less than will become greater than if we multiply or divide both sides by the negative real number. Now first one is natural number. X is a natural number. X equals to what it says. What it says, minus 2.5 is more than x. Minus 2.5 is more than x. Now, is there any natural number is less than minus 2.5? Is there any natural number is minus 2.5? No, natural number starts from 1, 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, and so on. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Right? Therefore, there is no natural number which is less than minus 2.5. That means there is no natural number when x is natural number. So we have to conclude that there is no natural number. There is no natural number. There is no natural number which is less than 2.5. I mean minus 2.5. Therefore, there is no solution set. Solution set when x is a natural number. When x is a natural number. Suppose you just think, if x is greater than 2.5, then what is the solution set if x is a natural number? 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. For x greater than 2.5, then the solution set will be solution set if x is a natural number will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. For x less than minus 2.5, there is no solution set. For x is a natural number. Now, what about the question B, sub-question B? X is an integer. X is an integer. X equals to, take one line, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now, minus 2.5, where it will come minus 2.5? Here it will be minus 2.5, isn't it? Minus 2.5. So, less than we have, you can take blindly to the left. So, all these are the values which is less than minus 2.5. So, integers are and so on, minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4, minus 3 will be the solution set if x is less than minus 2.5, where x is an integer. Therefore, minus 4, minus 3, and so on, minus 4, minus 3 is the solution set when x is an integer. Hence, it is the problem. Note down in your notebook. Now, where I am going to give one homework problem. That problem will be homework for you. Write on your notebook. 6x is greater than 30, same as it is when first sub-question x is a natural number. B question, x is an integer. X is an integer. Next, one more question. 16 is 16x is greater than or equals to 48 when x is a natural number. B, x is an integer. X is an integer. These are the two problems homework for you. Okay, dear students, hence it is a class for today. In the next class, we are going to learn the more problems